Hi everyone, thank you for joining me for this webinar on how to create promo codes on Edmingle. I am Surabhi and I'm part of sales team at Edmingle, and I have the pleasure for being your host today. So before we get started, we should have a quick look at our learning journey on what promo code is and what is the importance of promo code and how it is how it can be helpful for any educator who want to use and using Edmingle. Okay, so okay. So let's start. So what are promo codes? So as we all know that promo codes are alphanumeric strings that any business can offer to encourage purchases on their website. And there are different types of promo codes like discount code, coupon codes. Even you can give freebies in the form of promo codes and of course unique codes. Some interesting facts that we have laid out about promo codes that it is invented in 1887 by Coca-Cola owner Asa Candler, and we have seen that customer behavior has evolved significantly over the years, and customer attraction towards coupons or these vouchers have remained unchanged as people love value or they love to create or add value while purchasing any product out there in the market. And according to some reports, 90% of customers use coupon in one way or another, and 80% of customers feel smart when they use coupons. Okay. Now, as we have on Edmingle, there are two types of codes, okay, which we have, I would say two varieties of codes which any educator can create for their businesses. One is promo codes, and the other one is unique codes. So there is one single difference and major difference, I would say, between both of them is promo codes is something which can be sent to masses, okay, and unique code is something which is specifically or specially created for the selected customers so that you can retain and you can use and you can improve the user experience for the existing customers. Okay, now we'll talk about importance of promo codes. So so when any business issue promo codes, they are providing customers with an incentive to buy, which benefits both the customer and the business, right? So when I talk about that it is benefiting both the customer and the business, one of the most useful thing about promo code is that they work well with both new and the existing customers, right? So as we have rightly mentioned that it encourage new and the repeat learners. Second very important thing about promo codes. So when you are pre-launch promotions or early bird offer, I would say, so when you are creating or building a brand from scratch, right, you need to create a buzz for your new items or new courses or new products in the market before even launching them, right? So you can offer a pre-launch coupons, or you can give them early bird offer or special offer. So this is, it's going to be a great way for any brand out there to make sure that you hit the ground running and you can get enrollments, I mean good amount of enrollments for your product, right? So this I would like to just give you one example of how an educator on Edmingle, when he was actually right from scratch building a brand, has you know have you with the use of this particular feature has done 500 enrollments in just 5 days. So we have this particular customer called CamFacts. When they were just launching their courses out there, so they just created or launched a promo code and just put the duration of that promo code only for 5 days, and within 5 days they were able to get 500 enrollments, or I would say 500 purchases of their courses on the website. So that's how the power and the beauty of this particular feature, which helps you to get more and more new customers, and of course the existing ones, to improve their user experience. Then third important feature of promo code is convert with promo codes. So when you run a business, there are times that so I would like to create a coupon code that actually matches their brand. Okay, I hope my internet is stable, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so as I was saying, so it is convert with coupon code. So of course, like we create coupon codes and we know that people will love the discount offer and they will come back and they will make the purchase. But of course, it is very important to understand like the coupon code, as I've already mentioned, that it's the alphanumeric code. So the alphabets that you're using while creating a code should be taken, should be very much important, as it is directly reflecting your brand value, what brand that you want to create in the market, and what message your brand is going to convey to your ultimate user, right? So this is the thing that, it should be start with a clear picture of what your brand is all about. And it is important to have a good grasp in your profit margins. And if you have that, then you should be able to close the right coupon code, and you will be able to derive more conversions with the help of that particular code. And the last one is help to incentivize customers to make a purchase. So yes, we have already mentioned that whenever any businesses, they create a coupon code, it's just a way to incentivize your customers and attract new customers to your businesses, right? So yeah, now I'll give you the exact live demonstration of how Edmingle help educators like you all to create promo codes. Okay, so yeah, cool. So I think we are already in the admin panel, so I'll just give you the quick overview. So this is a dashboard. Okay, so within this dashboard you will be able to see this particular feature called sales. So as in, when I click on sales, I will be able to see this particular feature or button called promo codes. So I'll click on promo codes. Now here I can create promo codes. So we have two types of codes, as I've already mentioned clearly, promo codes and unique codes. I'll quickly start with the promo code thing and show you how you can create it. So select the code. I'll select promo code. Code text, as I've mentioned already, it's alphanumeric. So you can, as per your brand thing or what your brand value or your you want to convey the message to your code text, you can put it across. So I'm just, for an basic understanding, I've put in EDM 300. Description, you can actually mention the exact description, what exactly you want to convey through this particular code. And this is something your end user will be able to see. Discount percentage is something which, of course, it's very, very, I would say, induces your buyer, the ultimate buyer, to make the purchase of that particular product that you wanted to launch or wanted to give out to your customers. So you can use these very, very beautiful numbers, as we all always use in our discounting process. So it can be 50% or 20%, whatever you want to use. Maximum discount, this is something like we have already seen. So it's like 20% off up to rupees 1000 or up to rupees 500 or 100, 200. So this is something, again, you can decide as per your pricing of the courses matches or what your businesses require. Start date and expiry date, this is something which you can control, like from which date till what's going to be the expiry date of your promo code, and the end user will be able to get the benefits out of it. Okay, so and then mapping. So of course, like when you are already creating a promo code, you need to map it to a package, like to which package or course that you wanted to give it to, right? So I'm just selected the humanities. Okay, branch, this is important, of course. So by default, whatever course you're going to select, the branch will come automatically over here, and you just need to select and just click on create. So I've already created one promo code. Okay, and I'll just show you. Okay, so you can see this EDM 100 I've already created. I'll go on edit and I'll show you what exactly the thing I've already mentioned. So I've mentioned EDM 100. This is a test. Discount is 50%, maximum discount 1000. Start date and expiry date, I've already mapped it to a particular course and the branch has been selected. Now I'll quickly show you. I'll go to this particular, this is the course which is already live. So this actual cost of this course is 10K, but I've already provided a discount which is 5K, and on 5K I'm still giving discount to my ultimate user. So once I'll click on this particular course, I will be redirected to this purchase checkout page, right? You guys can see. And here I, as the end user, will be able to apply the promo code given by the brand or any institute out there. And once I apply on that promo code, so I have already selected the promo code EDM 500, and once I'll click on apply, I will be able to get the benefit out of it. So the actual cost is 5,000, but I have mentioned 50% off up to rupees 1000. So 1000 rupees has already been deducted. Now the course I'm getting is in 4,000, which is of course, and the actual price I can see is 10,000. So I'm way much, saving money on this particular course. Yes, and from student point of view, once a student has made the purchases, this is the student account you guys are seeing. And once a student have made the purchase, I'll click on my purchases. I'll go to payments. 1 second. Yeah, so I've purchased this particular course called Humanities. I'll click on admission details. And once I'll click on admission details, I will be able to see total cost, the promo code, which I've actually used, net amount, paid amount, pending fee and everything. And I as a user can also see my invoice. Okay, so I've already downloaded an invoice and you will be able to see the receipt part of it with the name of the student, promo code applied, payment mode and everything, right? So this is how it looks like. Okay. And of course, so I've and how the student is going to see or view that particular course with invoice. So we are again in the admin panel, and I'll click on the reports part. And as in when I click on the reports part, I will be able to see promo code statistics. So I'll click on promo code statistics. And here I will be able to see the entire summary of all the codes, till now I have created. What's the discount percentage, maximum discount on each and every code, start date, expiry date, status, total admitted students on each and every code. And from here, I can evaluate how the codes are working, the data exactly, which code has, maximum number of students admitted. And therefore, that's going to be my further strategy of using these codes again and again to, of course, boost and, increase my sales, right? So that's all about it with the promo codes thing. All right, so that's all about it, the pretty much of webinar on promo codes, on how you can create promo codes on Edmingle. Okay, and thank you everyone for joining the webinar. Thank you so much.